What's going on, Mo? Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kiko's. I'm Josh. Thanks for clicking on this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Thought I'd come out here, shoot a video, and show you guys. These goats are the goats that we're growing out. So we've got a variety. We've got New Zealand, we got commercial. Some more than half were born here. Some we bought and brought in. Since I've got them all back together, some were north of town at a place, some were over at my house, and now we've got them here. So let's go out here, check them out, give you guys a sneak peek of kind of what we're growing out and what we're adding to our herd. Now, some of these will be offered in a sale. So you're going to look at some and see that these will be some that we're going to put in a sale. We just sent off our information to get our lots in the Green Country 2022 Invitational Kiko sale. So we're going to be in that. That's going to be in April 22nd, 23rd. That's exciting. We're going to pick some of these does out of this herd to put in it. But let's go out here and get a look at them. Mo, he greeted me as I got here, and now he's already gone back, and he's back with the does. So he's a very good dog. Stays with the herd. Couldn't ask for a better livestock guard dog. He met me at the gate. Now he's already back. I'll show you. So if you would, do me a big favor. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please go down, subscribe, like the video. It helps us out. We're growing this channel. We're trying to get as many subscribers as we can. The more we have that like the video, puts the video out in the YouTube community, the more people we can get to join the channel. So I appreciate you guys that stuck with us from day one. My loyal followers, I thank you. So if you're not subscribed, go down, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. So as you can see behind me, if you can see out there, you can see that pasture is dead. But this is a pasture that we planted. It's got some winter grazing for goats, so that's why this is all green. And in this 7-acre pasture is where we're keeping these doelings. So they're going to grow out here in this pasture. They've got some good grazing. It has rye, vetch, peas, wheat. It's got a variety of stuff for goats. So they're going to have some very good grazing. It's pretty thick in here. It's good for them. These does are growing. They're growing out. And I mean, you can just look and see. Some of them you can tell who the sire is. I bet, let me find one and see if you can see who this sire is. It's plain as day. And then you got others that are a different color that I bet you can guess their sire too. So as you can see in this group of does, they're all pretty well uniformed. They're all about the same size. There's a handful in here that's just a little bit bigger than the other ones that are kind of standouts, that are doing just a little better. But you can see this is a very well uniformed group, and these are going to grow out nice. It's going to be fun to watch these grow into nannies, see them progress into having babies, breeding with certain bucks. But like I showed you all ago, like this, here's two perfect examples. These two right here, that's a megawatt, that's a BT. So you can see who marks up who, and I really like this BT daughter right here, or this BT daughter right here. I think that doe right there, I think she is going to grow into a really nice frame. She's got everything you want in a young goat. She has size, bone, and by the time that she's a yearling, she's going to be a big-bodied goat. She's going to be nice. But let me see if I can't get them up here a little closer and get a better look at them. I'll show you my favorite. I'll show you which one is my favorite of the whole bunch. So the one that I like the best is right here. So the tan with the black back, got some black on her face. I really like her. She is out of a doe that I bought at the Oklahoma Hill sale. We call her Portia. She had a buck and a doe, and this doe is thriving here. She's doing very good. She's gonna continue to grow out. This year we bred Portia to BT, so that's gonna be another great, exciting cross, should be. So since I showed you that doeling I like, my favorite, I want to go show you the mom to her. I see her walking up right now, but my wife ended up naming her Sweet Carolina. I think it's going to be exciting to see her grow out. Her mom is a big body doe. She's a nice doe, and she was the one that dropped kids in a little gully and never left for 3 days until them kids were up and good and walking around. I had to tote water and hay to her. And that was our first time kidding. So here she is. Let's get a little bit better picture of her. Closer look of the mom. This doe has excellent bloodline, and of course she's a great mom to go on top of that. Raised some excellent kids, and you can see she is starting to bag up a little bit, so she should be just a few weeks out from kidding. But I couldn't show you the doeling without showing you the mama. I'm gonna have some new videos coming out. We got some yearly vaccines, so you guys want to make sure you're with us. So like I said earlier, make sure you subscribe to this channel, stay up with us. This right here, this is a first timer. You can tell she's got some kids in her. Can't wait to see those kids. She was bred to BT, so that's going to be another good cross. That's a tough doe right there. But you guys just make sure you're staying up with us. If you're not subscribed, you might miss a video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. But you can look and see in this herd, like, you know, we got some megawatt does. And then here's a BT doe right here. This one right here, this white with some black and brown. So there's 36 does in here, and this right here is what we're retaining into our herd, except for a few that we'll be offering for sale at themselves. So I plan on us letting go of anywhere from 6 to 8 of these doelings that'll be offered in the sale. This is a great group of doelings. They're going to do well here. Like I said, there's a lot of color, a lot of variety, very consistent on the size as they're growing. So I wanted to take a sneak peek and let you guys look at these does and show you what we have in store for our future. So those does, they've gone back out grazing again. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to keep you up to date with what we're doing all the time. And a big part of that is growing some of our own stock in here, adding them to our herd. We added new genetics by bringing in a few doelings. You guys have seen that. I hope you liked this video, and as always, we'll catch you guys on the next one.